And then may nagsabi rin na we have work-life balance in Australia. We have 6 weeks annual leave and 7 days public holiday leave on top of what we have 3 months long service leave award if you reach 5 years working in a government hospital. We have a vast geographical area to see as Australia is one of the largest continent with only 27 million population. Miss USA! Miss Australia pala. Actually, alam mo, nung nag-visit ako ng Australia, I met with my nurse friend na parehas kami na nasa nursing school dati sa New Jersey. Yan din yung nakita ko. Australia, ang one place na feeling ko I can see myself live at. Specifically sa Melbourne siya nakatira. Pag-iisipan natin yan. Kailangan natin pag-isipan kung paano mag-move sa Australia. So, kayo, taga saan ba kayo? Let us know on the comments at gusto ko marinig how life is there. Kung nurse man kayo or hindi, alam nyo naman maraming Pilipino na tumitira everywhere in the world. Pero ang usually gustong-gusto ko tuwing nag-travel ako is naririnig ko ang mga stories nyo on how it is to be Filipinos, how it is to be an immigrant, how it is to be a hard worker in the other countries or other states. So, comment below. Bye! Comment pa more!